Who's Leo Mom?
You sound like a man.
You sound like a man. Shut up! Who's Leo?
Who's preteen or teenager who doesn't know what it is?
There's a glider, bro! Oh my god.
Hey, what's your YouTube channel?
Right there!
Wait, guys, where's the glider? Where's the glider?
Right there! I don't know how do you get it!
Oh my god, I like this cosmetic.
It's like the airplane on this. Like,
Hey, furry dude.
Where's the pirate?
Furry dude.
I love this badge. How do you get the glider? You know what? How? Come here. How do you get the glider?
Do you own that?
I can't hear you.
No.
What is your channel's
How do you
name?
get the glider? How do you buy the glider?
If you buy this, you get this texture on the glider.
so cute. I love.
If you go to
What's your
Clouds,
YouTube
then you
channel?
get it.
What's your YouTube channel
Yeah,
name?
but you gotta buy it first.
I have 2,000. I can't buy it.
I'm a parent.
What? Like 121.
It's free.
Think I'm going to buy it right now. Actually.
Wait, someone's rainbow.
Nope. Might just go on.
My dad is just going
Who
to
is
say.
rainbow? I swear.
Purple.
Look.
What's your channel name? What's your YouTube
How do you
channel name?
Wait, let me mute you. Come here.
Someone's rainbow.
What's your username?
Finally, a code that is not. Finally, a code that is
But okay.
But it doesn't work.
not. That is totally.
What's your channel name?
Finally, a code that is totally not a paintball code. Bob,
Wait, your YouTube channel name?
and I like this skin very much, but I'm taking it out.
In 3 videos, that will be my first.
Oh, that's so cool.
Hey, there's no
Did any of y'all know that Clouds Revamp?
Yeah, I'm gonna go in there right now.
Waiter, I'm taking
Bobby
this.
Milk VR. Wait, I'm gonna look you up, bro.
Look,
No, I don't have.
This
I
is
don't
like the
keep.
best cosmetic in
Can
the
y'all do the?
subject.
Going to be
Can
like
y'all
my-
do it? In Macarena, in Macarena, Mama in Macarena, in Macarena,
Best cosmetic in this update. Hold up, let me get this.
Okay, I'll subscribe.
Bro, the bundle's so cool.
Bro, I'm going to marry
Yo,
I'm a
this
parrot,
is cool.
I love this update.
Oh my gosh, this update's the best. Yo, cool.
So you don't know that I'm.
Oh, very.
No, what I'm doing with my life, guys.
My cat.
Woo, this
Very
dude's
nice
full
with
bird.
cats.
I like it.
I like that.
My cat.
How do I interact with this thing? Oh. Oh, I can put him on. Nice.
Too much better.
How come I cannot interact with anything?
Mommy.
Not with
Michael, where are you?
Favorite map.
I
run.
What is it like an infection?
I run because
Sorry.
I cannot see
I
you.
kind of, I accidentally hit my wall.
And you are somewhere.
My hand
I
lost.
love the new
My
planet.
hand
not
lost
some,
tracking
not
for a
some.
second because I hit my wall. Oops.
The only
I go to.
that's ever been hard to use.
Look, I'm here.
Guys, this update is sick as Hell. You mean hell? Yes.
How you grab onto a glider?
You just grab it. See? You just grab it.
Just tell them about it.
Oh my.
It'll here, fine. It'll appear on some of these, or if you can somehow get up there.
Oh, I have Dude, this is not what Gorilla Tag is supposed to be. What the?
I'm the first ever monkey to fly.
No,
I not like this update.
I got on here at 12 a.m., buddy.
Guys, it's
You
Fortnite.
win.
We got Fortnite. We got Fortnite.
Yo, can I
Dude, this
try?
map has literally everything
can't
from
find one.
zip lines. I think Lemming was the first monkey to fly. I think Lemming was the first monkey to fly.
Guys, does anyone have a paraglider I could use? I want to try one.
You can keep it. It's super glitchy for you.
You are amazing. I found a paraglider.
We got Fortnite. Guys.
Where? Use that one. I tried that already.
Guys, we're gonna go land at Loot Lake.
Fred, can I try a paraglider?
Guys, you can get on zip lines and everything while you're holding the paraglider.
Yo, Pink, come here.
You can?
Oh no. Oh, that made me
Oh my gosh, my cousin hopefully will play Clouds Revamp because he is gonna love. My brother will start playing Gorilla Tag.
Wait, no, blue, don't leave. I'm holding it,
I'm gonna try and
but
drop
it's
that
not
stone. Or
working.
somewhere near
You're gonna try to get on top of the zip
I'm
line.
holding
The triggers.
Please scroll. Okay, it's falling.
Actually, I
It's
think
to
this
the
is
left
a
of
good
the
place to
stone.
drop off. Whee! No! I wanted
Where?
to see if they have them at Fortress.
I dropped one at the stone. Basically.
This is nothing like paragliding in real life, just so you know.
I can't use one.
Yeah, I know that. Guys,
It's more like a plane, guys. This is more like a plane than a
gliding? You
paraglider.
just dive down.
Fortnite. Guys, we're playing
Yo, guys, where's the glider?
Yeah, this is Fortnite,
Are you
guys.
stupid?
I have to go
Yo,
land
Jenna, where's the gliders?
Here, I'll give you one. I'll give you a glider. I'll give you a glider. Who wants a
I'm
glider?
at the start.
Oh my god!
Just
stuff.
yes. Hey,
Bye. Wait,
grab it.
I'm gonna take it.
Oh, that was nice.
I have a great idea.
Literally just
You're
grab
right,
it.
I have a
Yeah.
great idea.
It's not working for me.
Guys, I have a great idea.
I know
you're using it incorrectly.
Guys, I have a great idea. Big idea. I have a big great idea.
You're genius.
I can't hold it.
Guys,
Wow.
everybody bring the paraglider out of clouds.
Oh, wait,
Bring this paraglider out of clouds and see if it works.
Here, take it.
It doesn't.
No,
It
no,
doesn't.
no,
I
you
tried
do it. You do it.
What are you guys trying to do?
No.
Okay,
Yeah, with both hands at
Wait,
the same
is your
time.
guys' game
I'm
glitched?
gonna get a paraglider.
Hold on. Yo, is your guys' game glitched?
I
where
don't
you
know
can't
why
grab
it's
it?
glitching.
No.
You have to restart your
It's glitching.
headset.
It's glitching.
That's the only way to fix it. You have to
Hey,
restart your
guys,
headset.
guys,
That's the only way to
guys,
fix it.
Get it.
Hey,
Get a
if you can't
paraglider
grab
and
it,
then
you have to
go
restart
down-
your
and then
headset.
go
It's the only
down.
way to fix the glitch.
Oh.
Hold on, Pink.
Can I have this glider?
Are you able to grab the other?
Can I have this?
Maybe. Can I have this glider?
Fortnite.
Yo, can I have this glider? Can I have this glider?
This glider's stuck on the
Blue?
ground.
Back up.
Blue? Can I have a glider? Get away, my buddy. Give me a glider.
I want. Are you blind? Are you
Wrong
freaking blind?
Are you a furry? Are you a furry? Are up here? I believe you, bro. Hello.
Drop that dang glider.
Lane, are you a furry?
Yo, any guy who's trying to get a glider,
He's got the furry tail. They got the furry tail. Furry. 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 Furry.
Elena,
Furry.
Get over here. Take that one.
give me it.